Uh, an 8 kg block P is being pulled by a constant force F up a rough inclined plane at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal at a constant speed. Force F is parallel to the inclined plane as shown in the diagram below. Now state the Newton's first law. Into-ke ekhona la ngaso sonke isikhathi kwathiwa nje constant speed or constant velocity lapho i-application ka-Newton's first law la ubokwazi ukuthi i-acceleration izoba u-0 ngoba kusho ukuthi i-object ayi-accelerate ne-net force izoba u-0 newtons. Okay, this is not 0 newtons, 0 meters per square second. F net izoba u-0 newtons. Ngikhuluma nge-acceleration ngicabanga F net sengibhala unakhuzana. Okay. Now draw a labeled free body diagram for block P. Isurface yethu ime kanje. Ungayishintshe isurface. Ayime kanje. Ayime kanje isurface yethu. Bese udrawa capital letter Y. Capital letter Y. Okay. Capital letter Y. Capital letter Y. Capital letter Y. Then ikhona-ke enye i-force laphaya esingayi-add-ke nayo. Frictional force. Okay. This is F applied. Once wabhala capital letter F, usitshela ukuthi that is an applied force. Once wabhala small letter f, usitshela ukuthi that is the frictional force. Then law normal force which must be always perpendicular to the surface. Ngoba sekuba ubani? U-Fg. Okay. So nama-mark awu-4 nama-force awu-4. Ngaso sonke isikhathi leya angle it must be perpendicular to the surface. Ingantazi nje. Okay, now the kinetic frictional force between the block and the surface of the inclined plane is 20,3, 20,37, 30,37, 20,37. Now calculate the magnitude of the force F. Nansi-ke indaba. Once kwathiwa the system is moving with a constant force or constant speed, kusho ukuthi ama-force ayaphezulu alingana nama-forces ayaphansi, ayabhalansana ama-force. So ukhumbuleke masiveza la sithe kuno small letter f bese kuba no FG parallel bese kuba no FG perpendicular. Okay, u-FG lo ozala u-FG parallel no-FG perpendicular bese kuba khona i-normal force. So kahle kahle yonke ama-force lawa esephelele mhlambe singayikhumbuza nje ukuthi u-FG parallel lingana no-mg sin of theta, FG perpendicular ulingana no-mg cos of theta. Khumbuleke ukuthi FG perpendicular kulingana ne-normal force ngoba i-force abukana nayo ngaleso sikhathi leso, normal force. So, ngokwale diagram, i-normal force ilingana no-FG perpendicular. Hhayi ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi ilingana no-FG perpendicular. Uma ngabe isikhona enye i-force ehambisana ne-dimension yabo, maybe e-vertical, sekuza ngokuthi leyo force leyo ingakwiside la FG perpendicular noma ingakwiside le-normal force. Uma ungeside le-normal force, uyi-add le-normal force. Uma isesayidini la FG perpendicular, so uyi-add no-FG perpendicular.
Yes.
Okay. Now, nansi tade ngifuna ukuthi siyibone. FG parallel. So, ama-forces, njengoba i-system imove at a constant speed, ama-forces aya phezulu azobhalansana nama-forces aya ezansi. Ingakho-ke sizogcina sithi, okay, singayiqala nje phezulu sithi F net is equal to MA. Bese siyakhumbula ukuthi F net uzoba u-0. I-force eyaphezulu, applied force. Force eyaphansi, frictional force, minus ubani? Minus FG parallel. So, sizogcina sesinani? Sesinama-forces aya phezulu elingana, okay, ama-forces aphezulu elingana nama-forces aphansi. I-frictional force basitshenile ukuthi u-20,37. Mhlambe singaqala sivule lo uku-mg sin of theta, frictional force 20,37 plus i-mass u-8 times 9,8 times sin of 30. Balungishayela konke kwi-calculator sithole ukuthi applied force la iwubani.
59,57 newtons.
59,57 newtons. That is an applied force. Okay. But again, force F now is removed and the block accelerates down the plane. The kinetic frictional force remains 20,37 newtons. Now, akusikho ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi i-frictional force izo-remain the same, but ngokwale case basitshenile ukuthi it remain the same. Into abayenzayo benzani? They are just removing i-applied force. Ayisekho applied force. So, njengoba i-applied force ingasekho, kuzokwenzakalani ngale shandisi? Izomuva iye phansi. Since isimuva isiya phansi, sesizoshintsha nathi sithi ukuya phansi sekunjani? Seku-positive. So, le shandisi yethu izomuva iye phansi. Ama-forces ayaphansi njengamanje. Kuzoshintsha, nakho into ezoshintsha. Asikwazi ukuthi i-frictional force iye la okuya khona ini i-object, akukwazi. Frictional force it always opposes the motion, so i-frictional force yona siyibhekile. So into esiyenza le object imuve ishone phansi iyodwa, u-FG parallel nguye lo wenza ukuthi le object imuve iye phansi. Ukhumbuleke le object isiya-accelerate, yingakho kuthiwa si-calculate the magnitude of the acceleration. Isiya-accelerate, ayisamove with a constant speed. Kusho ukuthi F net akasesiwu-0, acceleration ayisesiwu-0. Kodwa ama-force ase-acta kwi-object asenciphile ngoba isusile applied force ayisekho. Okunye futhi esekukusha, frictional force isijikile, ayisabhekile ezansi, sibheke enhla ngoba i-object isiye ezansi and kuye ezansi seku-positive. Now they say calculate the magnitude of the acceleration. Ngesizame kuyi-calculator. 13 F net is equal to MA Ngezansi sino-FG parallel minus frictional force is equal to MA. This is mg sine of theta minus F is equal to MA. Mass F8 9,8 sine of 30 minus frictional force 20,37 is equal to mass to 8A. Let's punch it. Punch lapho. Sitshene ukuthi uthola bani.
18,83.
18,83 is equal to 8A. Ngizokushaya konke. Awushaye lokhu kodwa lokho kuseceleni.
Yes.
Okay, should minus 20.
Oh, ngishaye konke.
All right. Is equal to 8A divided by A on both sides, 8 on both sides. The accelerations of one
2,35
2,35. That's
meters per second.
okay, that is the acceleration.
Yes.
Okay. So calculating the magnitude of the force.
Let's
Don't
calculate yona ni. Yes.
calculate. Siqale
Oh yeah,
ngayo.
yeah.
Siqale
Yeah.
ngayo. Okay. Now 200 kilograms. A rock lies on the surface of the planet. The acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the planet is 6 meters per square second. Then they say calculate the mass of the planet if the radius is 700 kilometers. 700 kilometers. Okay, sizokwenza kanjani? Move from 700 kilometers to meters zoba 700,000 meters. So should we times by 1,000? Okay. Desifuna njengamanje. We want the mass. Zoba singasebenzisa le G is equal to G na imass esiyifunayo all over R squared. Lo uzoba ubani? Uzoba u-6 lo. Acceleration basinikezile u-6,0. Lo masibuka le thebula lama-constant u-G uzoba u-6,67 times 10 to the power of minus 11 over all squared. Then we can solve the mass. We do times ngo-6, times lo 700 times loya naloya, bese udivide ngaloya. Sinikeza i-answer-ke lapho. uthole by answer.
Athi 10 times alo 6,0 nalo
Nalo
i-radius.
yeah,
Ubheka times kona 2,94 times 10 to the power of 12. Ubhalela times.
bese uthi answer divide by 6,67.
6,
But answer kilograms.
yeah.
Yeah, remaining